Okay, hi you guys, and welcome to just a short training. We are going to just talk for just a minute about using a scheduling app that works really well with Facebook for your Facebook parties. It just it gives you the ability to create the post once, save it in CinchShare, and then you'll be able to batch and duplicate for multiple parties. So I'm just gonna take you in to show you how to do that. So we're gonna share the screen here for a minute and see if I can show you CinchShare. So you're just going to go to cinchshare.com right here, okay? And when you first when you first sign in, you can do a free trial, and you can just go begin your free trial, and it's going to ask you for allowing you into accessing Facebook. So when I go to log in, it's going to recognize me. So that's going to look a little bit different than it would. So yeah, it went right into my account. So when you do it the first time, just go ahead and allow it to access into your Facebook, because what it's going to do is grab all of your groups and events and your personal timeline and everything, so that when you put the posts in, you can actually attach right to your Facebook party. So I'm going to show you a couple of things here first. First of all, when you come in here, it's going to look kind of like this. This is where you actually schedule a post, okay? The next little screen, or next little icon down, if you click on it, this is where your networks are. So I would go here first and attach the Facebook party that you are going to be putting the post into. So go into your group here, scroll down until you find the group. Wendy McGee's Bullafit Facebook party is right here. Click over on the little heart and actually just make that heart kind of dark, and then it's going to show up on your other page. Now, when you add an additional party, you'll want to go up here and click on the refresh button. And what that will do is it will go back into Facebook and it will update. So if you set up a new group or a new Facebook or new event that you're going to be posting to, you want to be sure that you refresh that list so that you can see it here. And then you can just go ahead and click on the little heart, and then it will show up on your scheduling page, okay? I'll show you batching in just a sec. So go back to the top icon on the left, the schedule a post icon, click there. And this is what you're going to see. Now you can see right now that I have a party running. So on the right hand side here, you can see I have all of my posts in and scheduled, and they are running for the Facebook party that we are going to go live in tonight. And the posts are going up every hour or two. And then tonight they'll be going up like every 3 to 4 minutes during the actual Facebook party. So how do you schedule a post? If you're doing a brand new post, you're just going to go right over here. And if you're copying and pasting, for example, from our Facebook group where we have all of the posts over here, you could just click over to Facebook, okay, scroll down, find one of the posts here that you want to use. For example, this, let's go down just a little bit. This keto party one, for example, just go here and you can copy and paste everything from that you're going to use. Just copy, take it over to CinchShare. Okay, you're going to paste it in to the post a message, or you can, type your own message there. I have the link to the video also in the post over there, just so it's easier for me to find. So I'm just going to cut the link out, and I'm going to paste the link here into this middle section. And that way it will bring up the video from YouTube or Facebook or wherever. Okay, and then you can go right here to upload a photo. Just click browse. And if you've already saved the photo, it will already be here, and you can just grab it in your on your computer. I'm going to create files for pictures for my Facebook parties. For example, for the Bullafit party, for a Tillet party, for a general wellness party, an oil party, whatever I'm doing, and put them into little files. I just haven't done that yet. So go ahead and grab the picture that you want, click open. It's going to bring it up right down here. So now you have everything in your CinchShare area to schedule your post. So go to this middle section, and you need to decide when you want that post to go up. So if I wanted that post to go up today, I would put today at, let's go tonight at 5:09 p.m. Okay, and then I need to go down here to, you can add a category. So if you want to have a category, I have a category for Bullafit party posts. I'm going to have a category for Tillet party posts, etc. You create that by just clicking on add new category. You don't have to do that. But then come down here and you can see that Wendy McGee's Bullet Facebook Party group is showing up. So I'm going to click on that because I want it to post there. And then I'm also going to post it to my favorite pages because I'm trying to populate my business page for Bulafit and for Wakaya with posts. So I am going to be posting to both places each time just to populate my business page. So then you're going to go over here or go back over here to the left and you can click schedule post. Okay. Once you schedule the post, it's going to move the post over here to the right so that you'll be able to see it. And what I do is you can sort upcoming items by most recent or by scheduled date. So what I do is I just click on scheduled date, and then what it will do is show me what is coming up next, like what's my most earliest post. Because what you'll do is you'll kind of go most recent, okay, that's the one I just scheduled, and then scheduled date. So I can see that today at 11:30 a.m. I have another post coming up in my party, and it's going to go into the party at 11:30 a.m. and it's already scheduled. Okay, so I'm going to go to most recent, the one that I just scheduled, and I'm going to show you how to edit it. Just click on the right hand side of the post. You can edit the post, copy the post, or delete the post from there. That will make more sense as you guys are starting to do multiple parties. So I'm going to delete the post because I already have that post and I don't want that to come up in my party tonight. So I'm going to delete that post. Okay. So that is how you schedule your posts for the party. Now, if you have multiple parties going on, or the reason that I love CinchShare and I'm kind of stuck on showing you guys how to use it is for this reason over here. So if you go back over to the left and go down to the fourth item, it's going to say Manage Post Library. Okay, so click on there. And this is going to bring up a history of posts, pending posts, and saved posts. Okay. You can also find your categories here. So I could go right here and go, okay, I want to see all my Bulafit party posts. Okay, or I want to see all of my posts for the Bulafit Facebook page or for my online keto party, which it won't let me post into events. That's why we're switching this. Well, let us post into events, Facebook, love ya. Okay, so here, now you have all of these posts here. So what can you do with these? Well, you can go over here to the right-hand side and you can actually select all. Okay, and then batch post. And what that will do, I'm going to do it, but I'm not going to totally finish it because I don't want it to mess up my party that I have going on right now. But you could click select all, okay, then you could click batch post. And what it will do is it will take you back over into this screen and say that you have a party coming up on the 27th, okay? And you want to run the party exactly the same way that you ran this party, okay? Well, rather than have to redo all of your posts and everything, you can actually decide what time you want it to start at. So apply the start date. So say that it's starting at 9 a.m. on the 27th, okay? And you want the post to run at the same interval that you did before. You just put keep interval, apply interval, and this is going to create for me a whole nother party. And I want to be sure that I have the new party here in the select network. So be sure you've set up the Facebook party already, and then you're just going to apply the post right into it. So I know that this is a little bit more advanced training, but I've had 2 or 3 of you ask about this, and I'm keeping this page, you know, like I said, kind of tight, and we're not going to put too many people in it yet. But I want you guys to be able to start learning this, and especially since some of you already are familiar with how to do a Facebook party, but haven't used CinchShare or Hootsuite or some of these. This is the one that I like the best, and this is the one that I am using right now. So anyway, that is how you use CinchShare, and I hope that that kind of helps you guys. So, okay, have a great rest of your Friday. Bye-bye.